Okay, I'm going to be showing you how to design a website like this, an online banking website like this. See how it looks slicky, slimy, everything goes well.
This is the actual phone view, mobile view of the bank. This is how it looks like. See how slick and unique it is. It's actually mobile responsive. See how it is. So I'm going to be teaching you how to design something like this. See how it is. See how it works. See, I'm going to show you how to design. So you mean log in, put in your account number, log in, and put your account password and log in. I'm going to be showing you how to do this in a very short while, less than 2 hours. You'll be able to do this. It's how it is. This is how it is. This is the mobile responsiveness of the website.
See, I'm going to be showing you how to design an online banking website just like this. Where users can come in, where a client can come in, log in. See, log in with their account PIN, account number, and account password. Okay, I have an account number and password right there. Now let's say, okay, this is the admin dashboard. Where users can come in, where you can manipulate the admin dashboard, where you can manipulate users login. See, these are different customers on the bank. Different customers on the bank where you can activate or deactivate customers. This user is actually active. Where you can come here, go to account details. If you click this account number, you can actually disable or enable the user to transfer funds. This user is actually, his account is already activated to transfer funds, and he has $2,000. If you click the account number, you'll be able to, credit or debit the user. Credit. Let's say you're crediting the user 3,000, and you put a date there, and just type the vision. Say proceed. See, the user is already automatically credited $5,000, and the user can also transfer. This way you give the user COT code, IMF code, and all of that. These are the codes you give to anyone that wants to do transfer on your bank website. Okay, let's go back to this account details and log in a user. Now this is a user. You have to log in with the account PIN. You are the one that will create this account for the user. Create this account for you. Once the user logs in, they actually get when the user registers. Let's go to the user registration, for example. Now a user cannot log in unless he has an account number and an account password, and they cannot log in unless they have those things. So the next thing the user want to do, maybe he wants to open an account, he comes here to register. So the next thing he wants to do is fill in his username and password, or maybe then the user uploads his picture. Let me see, the size of the picture shouldn't be big, small picture. Let's just use this guy. Let's use this guy as the profile picture. So enter the email. You say ben@gmail.com. Say next. User is trying to create accounts. Password, let's say ben111. Confirm password ben111. Account PIN, let's say 123456. Verify PIN 123456. Say next. So you enter this these details here. Fills his form, say mail, creates account. This is the street, zip code. Okay, and say register. This user has already been able to register. He has actually been able to register. The next thing we want to do is user is going to be clicking login. Say account registration successful. Please check your email. Wait till administrator validate your account, then you can log into your account. If you are already registered or active user, then please log in. If you log in now, you know when he was trying to register, there was nowhere he was having a place to have an account number. So when you go to the admin dashboard now, you actually see that. Let's reload this and see if there's a new user, which was Ben. Actually registered with Ben. Okay, see, Ben Phillips is here, and it has automatically generated an account number for him, which he will use to log in. So the admin have to enable transfer, or you can leave it at that, or just log in. The admin have to give the user his account number to log in. He already have his PIN, so let's go back and use the account number to log in. Then he has his account password. Let's say, okay, I don't think that is correct. Let me type the password again. Oh, I forgot the password. Let me use another password, another account number. Let me log into another existing account number and password, which is this. Let me use this, and I have this one's detail right here. Okay, paste 111. Let me use this. Okay, this one has been logged in. The account PIN, I also have it, which is this. Okay, the user has been able to register. I've been able to log in. User has been able to log in. So that automatically means I'm working with this account. I'm working this account, this other account. I've forgotten the PIN I used on this one. I've forgotten it. So where user can actually come in. So right now this transfer is activated. Transfer is activated. Transfer is, you can actually do transfer on this account. See, you can actually do transfer on this account. Look at this, is the transaction the person has tried to do before. Debit, this is a debit of 1,000. He withdrew 1,000 before. So you can actually do transfer. Let's say transfer internationally. Transfer internationally. Where are you transferring to? Chase Bank. Chase Bank. Let's just fill this account number with receiver. Okay, continue. Or enter any number there. Continue. Let's say 4,000. Okay. Okay, so transfer fund. Okay, this is where the person requires a COT code. COT code which an admin have to give to him. Let's go to COT code. So this COT code is what any user that wants to transfer your bank will be getting. Let's use this COT code, which is this. Is that COT? COT. Sorry, this is task code. Let's go to task code. Okay, the task code is 111. Let's put it there. Validate. Okay, see, it's actually transferring right now. Transferring. After the transfer, it's going to show you where you're going to transfer to. It's going to show you the next step. show you next step. Okay, the next step is IMF code. So you give the person the IMF code. Let's see what we have there. The 333 is the IMF code. Give the person the 333 code. See language. Actually, different type of language you can convert the website to. So you have ATM requests, ATM card, and all of that. So the bank has a lot of good benefits. COT code. Enter the COT code right there. Takes you to the last step. Okay, transfer completed. You can actually go back to your summary of download the receipts in PDF format. The receipt will be downloaded right there. So this bank actually has a lot of features. View credit card, can view credit card, you can do whatever. You can see a lot of things. You can apply for loan. You can apply for loan. Once you apply for loan, you're going to write the loan amount or do cash transfer, whatever. So that's the user interface for right now. This is what the user can do. This ATM request can request for ATM. This is for loan. So for the admin interface, the admin is the one that is actually controlling all this stuff. You can view statements on this bank. You can view statements. You can view statements. See, that's just it. Can do a lot of things. Go to account details. See, you can view statements. You can view statement of an of a bank, of a user. Sorry. So there's no statement for this guy. So that's just how it is. So I'm going to be showing you how to design this bank, how to get this done all by yourself. Okay, let's get started. Let's get started. Okay, I'm going to be showing you today how to do how to design an online banking website. Remember, I'm doing this training for learning purpose only. So whatever you're going to do with this kind of script, this kind of website, it's not of my business and it's not part of me. And maybe you have a project you want to do. You're a student, you have a project you want to do concerning a banking website like this, online bank or whatever. You can use this script to design this kind of website. All right, let's get started. Maybe now before you start designing any kind of website, the first thing you have to do is get a domain and a server. And I recommend you should go to Namecheap, namecheap.com to get a domain and a server. Yeah, this is namecheap.com. And first thing you want to do, go to hosting, go to shared hosting to get a domain and a server. Okay, these are the hosting plans for Namecheap. Okay, some are more sophisticated than others, but you see, but with different advantages. But we're going to get started with this because whatever you need right now, this will be enough for you to do whatever the website we're going to do right now. Let's get started. Okay, once you click get started, the next thing you want to do is look for a domain name to match the kind of website you want to do, which is let's say my website online.com. Let's see if this domain is available. I don't think it'll be available because it's a very popular general kind of name. So right now we're going to change it to something like let's see if this is available. You can make your own whatever you want. Okay, this one is available. Next thing you got to do is connect to hosting. Connect to hosting, scroll down, see the amount of whatever you're buying, say add to carts. This is total amount of the server you're buying right now. The next thing you want to do is confirm order. Okay, and you're going to if you don't have an account with Namecheap before, which you're supposed to log in here, all you just got to do is sign up, fill in this form. As you fill this form, they show you a payment page where you can pay with your credit card or whatever kind of payment you can pay with, but it's better to pay with credit card, you know, because that one is it's easier to pay with credit card. Okay, once you get your domain and hosting, the next thing you're going to see is they're going to send you immediately after payment is successful. They're going to send you an email of username and password and a link to log into your cPanel where you're going to upload and design your website. Yeah, that's the link. But we are not paying for this because I already have a domain and a server running right here, which is this is my cPanel. Once you log in the link and you enter username and password, this is the cPanel you're going to see. The email they're going to send to you, you log in it, you're going to see this is your cPanel. Now the first thing you want to do after buying server from Namecheap, you can actually close this now. Now you go to your file manager to upload a script I'm going to give to you. Okay, this is your file manager. Coming down to your file manager, where you're going to upload your script is public_HTML. And now because you bought a new domain and server, I already have different type of domain and server right here. I have different files and folders inside this my domain and server. Inside my cPanel, I have different types of folder, but for you're not going to be having all this folder right there. You might see one or two folder. You can actually delete that folder or file you see inside your own, inside this file manager, or leave it. Remember, I am here, public_HTML, which is this, or leave it. Right now I'm going to create a folder where I'm going to upload my banking scripts. Yeah, I'm going to create a folder which is right here. I'm creating a folder right here. Let me just call it let's say BANC. Okay, I'll call it BANC. Let's say create. It is my folder, so I'm going to be uploading inside this folder. I'm going to open this folder, upload inside. But your own, you don't need to create a folder. Don't create a folder. Just leave your own right there. 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 But you can actually delete any folder you see inside yours. Immediately you log in this cPanel, you find public_HTML, enter public_HTML, and you see any folder. You can only highlight it, click one, hold Control your keyboard, click others, and say delete. But I'm not deleting anything on mine. So I've created this folder bank. I'm going to open it. Okay, I'm going to open this folder. Yeah, after opening this my own folder, but your own, don't create any folder, don't upload unless you want your upload to be inside any folder. You understand? For example, this is my own domain. For example, if I put it here and I type splash, that's my folder, BANC, right? So it's going to be splash, the folder that will now be my bank link. Look at it. You see, there's nothing inside my folder. That's why I'm showing you this. That's why I'm saying this. But on your own, when you're going to be entering your link, you don't need to enter anything splash. You don't need to enter splash any folder name. You understand? So your own is just going to be direct like this, your domain / nothing, press enter and you're going to show you your bank direct. That's because you uploaded directly under public underscore HTML. Hope you understand that. Okay, now I'm going to enter back to my bank, and okay, I'm going to upload that file right now. Let me close this. I'm going to upload a file right now. Upload. Select where you have the file. Where do I have that file? I'll have it on desktop. Desktop. Okay, I have it right here. I'm going to give this. This is the scripts. This is badass scripts. I'm going to give it to you before the end of the video. All you have to do is finish watching this video. You're going to see how you're going to get this script right here. You click it and say upload, and it's going to take some time to upload. It's not that big. It's about 23 MB file. So all you just have to do is wait for this nigga to upload. Okay, once it gets to 100% and it's still showing blue, it means it's not fully uploaded. You need to get to 100%. This bar showing green. If it shows green, it means it has fully been uploaded. See, don't close it while it's still showing blue. Even if it's showing 100%, it needs to show you green bar before you know it's fully uploaded. Let's see how that works. No matter how long it takes, just wait for it to show green bar. Okay, unless your internet is slow. If it was very fast, it will show you green bar. Immediately shows you 100%. Okay, show you green bar right now. That means this has fully been uploaded. We cannot close this and come back to your cPanel. It's not showing here because you have not reloaded. You can actually reload. Okay, you see that's it right there. All you gotta do right now is click it and extract it. Okay, it has now been extracted. This is it. It has now been extracted. You can actually click this now and delete it. Skip trash if you want to. I don't need that anymore. This is what I need right now. So it has been extracted. So double click it. Okay. Very good. You open the next folder and see all your files. Okay, these are all your files right now. These are all your files. The next thing you want to do is move all these files to your main folder, but your own, you're going to move to your public underscore HTML. But I'm going to be moving mine to somewhere else, which is my bank folder. So let's do that now. Select all and say move. So I'm going to clean all this till I get to my normal banking folder. Clean this. So I'm moving it right inside here, bank. But for your own, you can clean everything and make sure it's inside public underscore HTML only. Okay, your own will be like this, but mine, I'm putting it inside a folder. That's why I'm leaving this, which is this folder. So you say move. Okay, that has been uploaded. Let's go back. Go back again. Okay, I think I'm now inside public underscore HTML / BANC. Okay, this is my BANC. So if I should go to my link right now and type /BANC, but on your own you don't need to type / anything. My own, I will be typing /BANC. Press enter. Okay, if yours is showing like this, I don't think yours will be showing like this, but if yours is showing like this, you need to come and do something like this. Go to your public underscore HTML. Public underscore HTML. That's if yours is showing like this. But if you just load direct, just carry on and forget what I'm about to do. Go to public underscore HTML. You go to your settings. You say show hidden files. If your own is not showing hidden files, say save. Then come here and see, you see this file .htt access. Right click it and say edit. Okay, the index file on this .htt is is index.php. And why my own is showing like that is that look at mine. I uploaded inside this BANC. My own is showing index.html. So what I have to do right now is create a .htaccess file inside this my folder. See, no matter how many times I try to reload this, it will still show like this. It's showing my file instead of my site. So I want to copy this index.php, this .htaccess file. I can close this now. I want to go and create. Let me put it somewhere. Let me keep that text somewhere. So I want to go and create inside this my BANC folder. I need to create a file. Let me go back. .htaccess file inside of my bank folder. So let me rename this. Just right click and say rename. I'll copy the file name because I want it to be the exact file name. Cancel it. Then I'll go to my bank folder and say create new file and create that file over there. Say create. Now this file I just created, there's nothing inside. Where is it? This is it. I have successfully created .htaccess file inside my BANC folder. So I'm going to edit it. You see there's nothing inside, and copy that code inside there. I'm going to paste this code inside that .htaccess file and save it. Okay, but I'm going to change this to HTML and say save. Okay, that's good. I've saved that. I can close that. Let me reload this page and see if that works. Press enter. Oh, voila! You see, it's loading right now. Now this is the bank folder you have successfully uploaded. See how it looks very sweet, sleek and good, so nice. But at the end of the day, you can actually change all these stuffs right here. This email, you're going to change it to yours. Whatever thing you want to change, you're going to change it. Now the first thing you want to do is go to your file manager. The real online when you're about to log in. So I try to click login right now. You see, it's going to show me this. Because I've not activated and done some stuff which I'm supposed to do to make this login work. Look at the real login, the login of the link of the login of the online banking, where the online banking really works. It's under this bank. You have another folder called online. So let's go and look for that folder called online. Okay, online. This online folder where we're going to edit stuffs. We're going to edit all this stuff to make this error go away so your bank can be working. Now let's get started with I just actually analyze some folder some folder and files you're going to be working on, and I've typically brought them out for you to understand on Notepad, which is this. First of all, let's go to this folder, this file. Go to online, go to library to edit this file. Now we have we are online right now. We are inside online folder. So let's look for library. This is library. Then you go to your config folder, edit it. So this is your config folder. We're going to edit this folder. Let's use legacy editor to edit this, so you'll be understanding these codes, how they look like. Okay, you see, this is the database connection of these websites, and you're going to need a database name, database password, and database user. So you go back to your file manager. You can actually click this cPanel button here. It takes you home to your file manager. Okay, you're going to look for database. See database, MySQL database user. Open into new tab. Okay, you're going to create a database. Let's call it a bank database. Say next. We're going to create a user too. Let's call it bank user. So you're going to generate a password for that. Say just generate any password. Say copy this password and keep somewhere because you're going to need it later. Let's put that let's say somewhere here. That's the password there, and say I have copied this password. So create user. Okay, you're gonna need this. Use this, copy this, and also keep it. There you have that. You can rename this to password, and keep this also right here. You're gonna need all this later. You're gonna be using it to replace, you know, this. So say all privileges. Say next step. I think you're done with creating a user and a password. You can actually go home now on your cPanel or close it. So you come here right now. We have database user. You're going to be placing it with this guy. Where is the user? This is the user. Copy it, come here and paste it. The next thing you want to do is a password, which is this, down to here. Don't make mistakes when you're trying to do this. It's from this apostrophe to this apostrophe is what you're changing. So if you get it wrong, it's gonna be disaster. You know, it's gonna be a disaster. Okay, we're copying this password right now. Copy, come here and paste it. Okay, what else? You have the database name, which is this. Copy it, come here. What is the database name? Come here and paste. Okay, and save changes. But the other things you can always change here. You see this Union Bank and Trust. So you're going to change all this. But let's refresh this page and see if that works. See if that works. Okay, that has worked. That has worked automatically. You see, this is the bank script you're going to be using to users going to be able to log in, create an account, and all of that, and do transfer and all of that. Okay, all this logo, you're going to be able to change all this logo. I'm going to show you how to do all that. So next thing you want to do, let's go back to our cPanel main page. cPanel main page, you can type php myadmin. So you go to php myadmin, open it in new tab, okay, it's loading. Okay, the database you created, you're going to be seeing it here. You might not see a lot of database here because it's a new server, but mine, I have a lot of database right here. So the next thing I want to do is look for that your bank database, which is this bank. Click it. Now you don't have any tables inside this database. You're going to be importing it, the table. Click import. This table is going to be inside the script I'm going to give you. So you say choose file. This is the script. Let's just extract this script. Say open, extract the script, say okay. That's not be extracted as a folder. So you open the folder, you're going to see that what you're going to upload, which is this SQL file. So upload this inside this your bank database and say go. If you have any question, you can actually WhatsApp me. My WhatsApp is under this video. Okay. Our WhatsApp number is under this video, so you can actually leave this to be propagating. Just let that be. You have actually uploaded this file. You actually need this file to do a lot of stuff. Okay, that has been uploaded. You can actually close this right now. So the next thing you want to do is log in into this into the accounts. Log into the accounts. Now the next thing you want to do, you can go back to your notepad in case you forget. Go back to this notepad where you have online union links. Okay, the next one we go to this function.php to replace logo link, replace images and all of that. Let's go to function.php. Under where you can actually close this now. Go to your file manager. Okay, go to your public_HTML where you have your websites. For mine is under bank. I'm going to bank folder. Then we're looking for what? Function.php inside online, yeah. Function.php. function.php. Where is it? Okay, I think it's inside library. Okay, this is it. Function.php. You edit it. Okay, inside function.php, you're going to be editing whatever you don't need right here. You're going to be editing it. Because most of the information right here, they are not yours. I mean, they are not the bank you're doing. So you're going to be changing all of that. Let's look for where we're going to be changing right here. Okay, I have this. Okay, see, we have image folder here. We have an image link right here. Which is this link. If you check this link, now, you right click this and open in, say, open image in new tab. So you're going to see this link. So you're going to be changing this image. You're going to be changing what? This image. You're going to be changing this image to what? Yours. So I'm going to download this image. Save image as. Let's put it inside here. Okay, I'm going to be saving this image. Save. Okay. After saving this image, the next thing you want to do is go to your image editor. If you have any means to edit your image, let me design my own image. You can actually use, okay, I'll turn that to pixel. You can actually use any software to do your own image. But I want to use CorelDRAW. What's the image size again? 206 by 107. Okay, 206 by 107. Okay, to make it easy, let me just create any size. I can call that my email. Okay, let me just make it this, and maybe this. Maybe this is my own logo. I also have CorelDRAW tutorial. If you want CorelDRAW tutorial, I can show you how to use CorelDRAW to design, stuffs. Let me just do this as mine. Let me do this. Let me just use this as my image. Save it as let me save it as a PNG file. Call it anything for now. So I'm gonna replace this to replace what I have there before. Say yes. Let me Control F5 with your keyboard. Okay, I think this looks better because it does not have any background, and I used white to design it, so I think this looks better. This actually looks better. Okay, you can use any whatever to design yours, but I just use CorelDRAW to design my own. So the next thing you want to do, or this has been done, you can actually replace any image just the way I did this. I can close all this now. Okay. Now let's leave this. Going down to function.php. Okay, place images, address everywhere. Let's go to function to change admin username and password. Okay, go to function. Go back to function. Where is that function? library, go to library, function. Okay, go to function. Okay, you're going to change the admin username and password. Just press Ctrl F and you keep it to admin. Okay, admin is not there. We're going to look for that. Okay, so we're going to go to the admin under online. Go to admin. You go to library. Okay, function.php, edit it. This way you're going to get the username and password for the admin to log in. Okay, let's look for that. Okay, this is the admin password. You need to change this to yours, maybe like a admin pass 111. Okay, the username, change it to admin user 111. Okay, you're going to copy this and keep somewhere. Oh, I'm going to keep that. Is that save that also. Okay, save this. Okay, you will succeed in changing this. Okay, let's get along right now. Online, and I did the file call mail. I think mail is main admin. Now online, go to library. Okay, look for mail to configure that. This is the file mail, edit it. Edit that mail. You see? Whatever thing you see here, you're going to be changing this to your sites. I'm going to say bank. This is the name of your site. Okay. The email configuration, everything is under this mail. So when they send, whatever you're doing on your website is sending mails, this is the configuration. This is the file you're going to edit so that you can be sending mails to email and all of that. You should, should change this email. This email is going to be changed to your own email. Just copy this and paste it right there. Or you make sure that email says you go and create the email. You go to your cPanel home, type email here. So you create an email for that. Let's say account, generate a password for that and create an email for that. So that email has been created. This is account. Use it to replace this email you're seeing right here. This mail.php. Use it to replace this. Okay, so that whenever any email is being sent, you're going to be receiving emails. Maybe somebody is trying to transfer credit and all of that. You'll be receiving the email inside this email. So you're going to be using that email to do that. Let's save that changes. You can also change this whenever you have this first union, just change it to your own. As you can see the statement here, this is to inform you that your account or register successfully with put your own bank. You can be bank online or whatever bank name you're using. Okay, let me undo that and try to look for this. Okay, let me look for this wherever I have it. can replace it. Just press Ctrl F of keyboard, copy this, paste it here. Okay, you have it in 4 places. Press enter, change it here, put yours. Next, put yours. Next, okay, just put yours there. Okay, see, put it here. Okay, I don't think we still have it again. Save changes. Okay, the next thing you want to do, let's change the favicon of this website. Let's change the favicon. Where's my website? Let me reopen it. I'll come down here. Say, look at the favicon of this website. It's showing HB. This website is showing HB as the favicon. You can actually come and rename yours. Go to your file manager. You can close this now. Close this. Whatever thing you're not using, you can close it. Just go to your file manager. My bank. public_html. My bank. And let me look for images. Now look for the file called favicon. Look at these small images here. You need to change them. This is not your own. You need to change it. Let me download this. I'm going to download this right now. And create my own favicon. I can go to my CorelDRAW. And make this my own favicon. I can just use it as B. Let me delete this background. This is going to be my own favicon. I can just do it like this. Put it inside a box. And maybe make it bolder. Okay, I'm going to use this as my own favicon. And export it. As a PNG file, then I'll have to call it favicon. Where's the file I just downloaded? Okay, I need to call it this exact same name so I can upload and replace that file. PNG, favicon.png. Okay, and say export. Okay, say okay. Let's see. Let's go and reload. Let's upload that right now. So I'm going to upload my favicon. Okay, this has uploaded as favicon.jpg. Supposed to be the PNG. Maybe I should rename this to .png to also work that way. Say yes. Okay, it has been replaced. Let's see if that works. It's not going to take effect immediately. It might take effect some other time, but let me try another browser if it will work on another browser. Let me see. Because that browser already got that catch, so I think it's not going to work immediately. It will only take some time. Okay, you see it's now working. This is now my PNG file. It's working for me right there. Okay, let me go back to the next thing we want to do is I replace my PNG file. The next thing we want to do right now is also check for services. Okay, I want to log in this site right now. If I click login, it takes me down here. Okay, Okay, takes me down here. Let me log in the admin panel with the password I changed in. See what happens. Sorry, this is the password. Password here. User here. See next. Sorry, this is not the admin panel. Let me log in the admin panel right here. To get to the admin panel, this is the user panel to log in. Let me use another browser to log in the admin panel. Online/admin. That's what I should do. This is the username. Okay, I have something there. I think I have to clean that. This is the username, which is this. Password. And login. Fuck. This is the password. Right? Paste. This is the username. Paste. Login. Fuck. Let me go and check that user. Online. Admin. Okay. Library. Function. Now to log in the admin, you need to come and change. You need to get the username and password to log in your admin. So you go to your, actually go to your folder or your online folder. Go to your online folder. Go to the admin. Go to library. Go to function.php. Okay, this username and password you need to change for the admin, which is actually this. You change it to yours, maybe I've kept one. They say admin user for the username. Paste yours there. Admin password. Turn it to this and click save. So you're going to be using this to log in the admin. Since you have saved that, you cannot come to your admin and log in. Paste your password also. Okay, voila, this is the admin password. Now this is the admin dashboard. You can actually come here, do whatever you like and all of that. Okay, the next thing we want to do right now is come here. Create accounts. Let's create accounts for this. Which one is this? Let's come here. Okay. Let's go to this bank main homepage. See what happens. Okay. Let's say you want to log in. Or you want to register. This is where the user normally comes to get an account. Next thing you want to do, you can change the picture right away. You can use, let's choose this as the username, and let's use this. Okay, username is person's name is Innocent. Yes, email. You can use this as the email. Say next. Password should be this 111. Let me keep that. Yes, 111. account pin, say 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. Verify pin 1 2 3 4 5 6. Next step can be this. Okay. Next, just fill in this form and register. Okay, after registering, let us log in. Has been registered, let us log in. Now you need an account number and an account password to log in, which an admin has to create for you. So let's go to the admin panel. Where is the admin panel? I have the admin panel right here. Okay, now this is the admin. Let's go to this is the admin homepage. We're going to create let's go to user and details. Okay, if yours is actually showing like this, you can go back to your PHP to your file manager now, and your online on your public_HTML, and change this your .htt access file. You can actually change it to .php now. Save. Okay, let's go back and see what happens. User details. Okay, it's actually working now. Okay, now let's activate. You see all these accounts, they are all the accounts I just created, they are all inactive. So you just if you want to delete, you can delete. Just say activate these accounts. Let's activate these accounts. See, this is the account. Automatically generates an account number for this user. So this is the account number of the user. You copy it. Let's say you want to log in a user interface. Okay, let's log in user interface right here. Let's go to the bank direct. Account number and account password. Okay, here's the account number. What is the account password? Which is best 111. Put that there. See next. Okay, now you enter your account pin. Okay, this is the user interface. This is the user interface where you log in to do transfer and all of that. Look at this showing right here. You can actually check this link. Check this link and change this to your bank name, which is a bank/online/index.php. Let's look for that. Let's close all this. Okay, we're going to be seeing all those files. But if you get to online, index.php. Let's go to index.php right now again. Okay. Okay, these are the major files we also have to look at. Let's go to library and see config.php and config.php. Okay, what do we have there? Okay, I think we've seen this. Whatever thing you see there, you can change to your own. Call this your own. Okay, support at this, make this your own. Careful when you're doing this. Actually change it to the email you have in your account. Okay, change this to this, change this to your own. Just look at that. Still have anything you want to configure? Okay, you can save that file right now. What's the next file? Let's check on functions.php. Under that online functions. Okay, let's see functions. What do you have on that function? Okay. Just check these files and replace whatever thing you don't need to make it yours. Okay, that is for that. Okay, after that, let's check for the next. What do you look for again? Summary. Let's go to online. Okay, let's go to something like include/template.php. Okay, let's go to include. Let's look for include folder under online. Include folder. Include. Okay. So you see you have template.php. Let's see what that got. Okay, you see this? You need to change this to yours. Okay, change that. I don't think you have much things to change here. Save that changes. Let me reload this. Let me reload this to change. Okay, you see that has been changed. What else do we have there? Let's say menu. Let's check this menu. Okay, you see have this one here. You can put it to be yours. Okay. Let's search. Let's look for search. Press Ctrl F for your keyboard. Say first. Okay, see, still have it here. Change it to yours. Okay, save that changes. Save that changes. Okay, let's see if this will change. Okay, see, this has been changed. That's very good. Now on the user can actually come here. Okay, the user does not have anything on his account. The admin can actually go right on his spot and credit this user. Click this email. Okay, see where you can, give it a new email or whatever. Let's go to account. Okay, this guy does not actually have any money. Does not actually have any money. Okay, if you go to accounts, go to accounts. You can actually disable an account for the person not to be able to do transfer. Let's activate the transfer. Let's activate the transfer. Okay, you see you can actually credit the user from your admin backend. Say, click the account number. You see where you can credit the user account, credit fund. You can credit the fund. You can debit from the account. Let's make it let's say 3,000. Once you type, it automatically arrange the to turn it to money value for you. This is the account of the picture of the user. Date of transfer, you can actually backdate it. You can see the format right here. Month which is month. Say 02/ the day 05/ let's make this 30 05/2001 2021 or so. Let's say okay, say proceed. Say SMS is not working, forget about that. Say proceed. Okay, invalidate, sorry. Let's change that date to look at the format this month. Let's make this let's say 05. Let's make this 05 2021. Okay, that user has been credited with 3,000. Let's go and refresh that user and see what it's got. you see the user has been credited with $3,000 $1. You can actually change all this. You can change all this. You can change all this. This Union Bank and Trust, you can change it. If you go to your admin panel, let's see how we can change that. But I'm actually going to show you how you are going to change all this automatically. Anything that has name, the name of the bank or whatever, you can change all these things automatically. I'm going to show you how to do that later. Let's leave that for now. So for now, you can see you can actually transfer funds. This is the user account. This is the account summary. The account, you can actually request for ATM card, blah blah blah, but this is just for, you know, account details. Okay, this is the account details. This is the account details of the person. This is the balance online. Okay, phone transfer. Let's say you want to transfer phone. Let's say internal transfer. Let's say international transfer or whatever. View credit card. View your credit card. You can request for credit card. These are the cards. You can request for credit card. See, you can actually request for credit card. You know, when they request for credit card, the admin gets what kind of card is really requesting for this. So when they request for credit card, the admin gets an email that you're requesting for credit card and all of that. So you can view your ATM. So the main thing is this transfer, okay, your accounts. So that's just how it is. So you can actually change all this. Things like this, you can change them. I'm going to show you how to change them easily. This PERIX. Now after doing your bank, after uploading your bank and you've gotten to this extent, there's something you still have to do in order not to make mistakes. Now while you are online, while you've uploaded your bank online successfully, there's something you still have to do. Now you being able to upload your bank online successfully, there is something you still have to do. After uploading your bank successfully, you have to, you know, go back to your offline, what is it called? You look at this, you see, because the person has transferred, it has actually debited the person, the amount is transferred from. It's now showing $2,000 because he transferred $1,000 somewhere. But right now, after uploading your bank, you need to get to do some kind of thing offline. Let me go and look for that bank script I'm going to give it to you, which is this. So I'm going to be doing something right here to make things easy for you, because you are actually going to forget some kind of stuff. You're going to forget some kind of stuff. Maybe you forgot to change something like this. It's not everywhere you can remember to change everything. So but while you're online, you're going to open your software, your note software. I'm going to give you this software. Also, this software, I'm going to be giving it to you. This software enables you to change things. You see this folder, you see this bank folder, this folder. You're going to be using this software to change a lot of things that you find on the online banking that you have uploaded. You're going to be using this software to change all that. Now let's assume you'd have changed all that, and after changing all these texts you're seeing right here, existing bank tests you're seeing right, and you want to change it to your own. You're supposed to change all this before you upload your files, before you upload your bank online, but you don't have anywhere to view these files. That's why you actually uploaded it first, so that you'll be seeing all that. Now to do that, you just need to come to this software, press Ctrl+Shift+F on your keyboard. Now you have to locate where you have that file. Which is this. Start pressing Ctrl+Shift+F on your keyboard. Locate this file, which is this. Come inside here where you have all the files. Say select folder. Now you need to look for a file. Now this your folder is offline. You want to replace some files, some text inside this file. This is your folder. All the text inside this file, you want to replace them. So let's get down back here. So we're actually going to look for this text. Peace. Are you seeing it? Peace Bank. Let's Let's copy that text, press Ctrl C on your keyboard and paste it here. We're looking for this text inside this folder. Say find all. Just look for that text. Whatever it is, you're going to look for it and bring it out for me. Okay, very good. I think I have it only in one place, which is this piece, this folder, piece folder, which is this. So it means it's actually existing. So I have to Ctrl Shift F on my keyboard again and paste that text again and replace it with what? My bank name. Sorry. When doing this, you need to be very careful not to make mistake. Now you look at these two words, Peace Bank. That is exactly what it's going to look for. If there's anything like peace, perix somewhere without bank, it's not going to look for it and it's not going to replace it, but you're trying to replace right now. Why is that? The reason for that is that you said match whole word only. The whole word that you paste here, that is what is going to match. If you put only peace here, anyway you have peace, that's what it's going to look for. I don't know if you understand me. Match cases. Now if you have peace with small letter P, that is the only thing it's going to look for. Let's look for this and see. I don't think it's going to find it because you said match cases. So it's not going to find that. You see what I'm talking about? It did not find it. So unless it's the exact thing that you have put here, that's what it's going to look for. Let's look for it again with capital letter P. Okay, you see, that's seen it because it's exactly the way you typed it. That is what it's looking for. And this is the file. This is where the file actually is. In your offline folder in your laptop. This is where the file actually is. See? So you cannot come and be looking for this text. What if you have it somewhere else inside the website, this particular text, and you want to change it? So you can't go and be looking for them one by one. So you just have to still do that. Your Ctrl Shift F. You want to replace it right now. You find it. Always try to find before you do replace in files. You find to make sure it's actually existing. You know it's actually what you're looking for. So I want to replace that right now. Replace in files. Say OK. So it's going to replace this word with these two words. It's going to replace these two words because I can actually make it my own. Yeah, after doing that, no going back, so you have to just be careful. So I think it has replaced it. So it is now saved in your offline file that stuff has been replaced. Now after doing that, you're going to be re-uploading this file again from the beginning. You can follow the video again from the beginning to re-upload this file and delete the one you have, so that you actually replace everything you have. So right now you can actually do that to every other file, every other word you found on the website. Let's go to the admin dashboard. If we see any word we're going to change, where do we go to right now? Let's go to the admin dashboard. Okay, this is bank admin, for example. This is bank admin. Let's look for a word to change. Let's just log out. Let's log out and see if we see anything to change. Okay. Account number. Let's log in again. Or let's just go to the bank website direct if we see any word to change there. Okay, you can actually change this logo. Okay, let's see this support at this. Let's say we're going to change this. I'm going to change this. I'm going to change that. Let's look for that email, support@this.com. Let's say we're going to put, remember you still have your link, your folder link where you're going to change all these files from. You still have it right there. Okay, so I want to change that to my email. So I'm not equally telling this software that wherever I have this support@this.com, it should change it to what I'm going to put here. Okay, let's look for it first if it exists. Let's just find out first. Okay, see, you have it in multiple places. You have it in multiple places. So I want to replace it with let me copy it again. I want to replace it right now. I'm going to replace it with this. If I say replace all, wherever I have this, it's going to replace it with this for me in all my files. It's going to replace it in all my files, so I wouldn't have to be seeing this the old email. Okay, that is for that. Now let's say you have something else, maybe the bank name, you have it somewhere. So you can actually use that to change whatever text. Okay, you see this, you have Union Bank right here. See this, you have Union Bank right here. You can actually copy this, press Ctrl Shift F on your keyboard, paste that, and put your own bank name you want to put. First of all, let's find out and see how many places we have it. I'm doing this, but you might not remember to change everywhere you have it. You see, you have that Union Bank scattered all over the places on your file. The file I'm going to give to you. You see exactly the capital U small b, the way it is. That's how it has brought it out for you. So let's replace the capital U small b. Then we'll look for the other aspect or other version of it. I'm replacing it with this. Let's say always check if what you're replacing, because sometimes this might change. Make sure it's what you want to replace that you're seeing there. So replace all. I'm going to replace that. It's not going to be working. I'm not going to be seeing the effects because this is online. And I'm replacing all this in my offline file. So I'm going to re-upload this offline file. I'm going to re-upload those offline file. Okay, that has been replaced. Let me try with capital B if it still exists somewhere with capital B. Let me find all. Okay, you see it has with capital B. You might be thinking you replace this union with small b, but there are still many other places where you have capital U and capital B. So we're going to replace that right now. Replace all. Okay. Okay. Let's look for in big letters. Let's find all. You see, we have it in big letters also, which has not been replaced. So we're going to replace that. replace all. Let's look for it in small letters. Find all. Okay, we don't have it in small letters. Let's look for only the union. If we have it somewhere with capital U, let's look for only the union. Find all. Let's see if we still have it somewhere. Okay, we don't have union anywhere again. That means all these file names, all these names has been replaced in my offline folder. It has been replaced, and these are the main names, main thing you need to change while doing this bank, so it will not reflect someone else's, bank. You understand? So then for these logos, you can actually change the logo. I've shown you that. For just right click it and say open image in new tab. You see the logo right here. You can actually right click it, save it just to get the image size, save it, then go and design your own logo. Now the logo has been saved. What is the size of that logo? Size of that logo, 314 by 87. So I'm going to create a logo for myself. 314 by what? 87. 314 by 87. Okay, let me make that my logo. Let me just make that my logo. Okay, let's assume this is my logo. I'm going to export that. What kind of file is this logo? It's a PNG file. Okay, I'm going to export with PNG and replace, what was the size? 314 by 87. 314 by 87. Okay, say okay. So I'm going to re-upload that. Where do I have that logo? I have it inside Bank Images West Bank. Okay, let's go to my file manager online. Bank Images. Where's the logo? I have inside my folder, I have images, I have West Bank. Let me see. It's online. Okay, I have images, bank images, West Bank. Okay, this is it. Let me just upload right here and replace that. Okay, I have to upload mine. Say yes. Okay, if I should reload this, I think it will change. But let's just reload this on the browser. Just press Ctrl F5 on your keyboard to reload, so you can affect the image. Okay, this is showing like this because I have changed my .htaccess file to PHP. Let's go back to that and change my .htaccess file. Okay, where is it? So, which is under bank. I'm going to change my .htaccess file right now. Okay, to what? HTML and save. Let me refresh that. Okay, we have not changed this. You need to go and replace this particular logo at the beginning of the website. You need to go and replace this particular logo with this, the one you just did. Where do we have that logo? Bank image HB logo, white. You go to your file manager, go to your my folder or images. What's the name? HB logo. Okay, HB logo.png. okay, HB logo. Okay, I need to replace this right now. Let's just go to, let me just upload. I can create another. Let me download this first. I can actually download this. Okay, so let me go to the way I downloaded it. So okay, let me copy it to my teach folder. Okay, so let me create another logo to replace that. Say yes. Okay, so okay, I'm going to upload from here right now and replace that logo. HB. There it is. Okay, say yes. Okay, let me reload this page. Control F5 on your keyboard. Okay, that image has now been replaced. So that's just it. Wherever you see an image you want to replace, all you just got to do, say right click it, say open image in new tab, just to know the link of the image. So you're going to trace these folders and know where the image is. Design your own image and replace it with exactly the file name you're seeing right here, and make sure it's a PNG file. But if the image is a JPEG file, make sure yours is a JPEG file. So that's how to do that. Now let's check this .htaccess file that I changed. I changed this to .htaccess file. This .htaccess file, I changed it back to .html. Let's see what happens if it's going to spoil my admin link. Let me see what happens. Let me refresh this admin. Okay, you see it's affecting my admin link because I changed the front end. Was actually done with HTML, so I changed it to HTML so that the front end can be running, but the back end, the online bank, the online folder was done with PHP. So let me just permanent this so you won't be flopping up right back front center just to get your htaccess file. Let me just change this back to PHP so that PHP will be working for your front end and also the online banking aspect. Save that. So let me just go to my front end and change this .html to .php under your public_html. Change this to .php so that your bank can run very well. Press enter. So I don't think that's going to affect my bank anymore. Front end. Okay, that means the front end is running and the online part is also running without any issue. Okay, users. Okay, everything is running now. Everything is running. So let's assume you want to change this. And this can let it. This one doesn't mean anything. Just leave that one. Okay. This is the admin. You can change that. You can change that image if you want to change it. You can just go to your admin, go to images on your file manager. You'll be able to change that picture, but that does not actually mean because you are the admin and you're the only one seeing that picture. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that is how to do all of that. That is how to do all of that. Now, upon you upon you being able to do all that, upon you being able to change texts with this, it definitely means you have to re-upload. You have to re-upload this. You have to re-upload your file. You have to re-upload this file. You have to re-upload this file on your server. Yeah, you have to re-upload this file on your server and re-watch the video from the beginning to be able to re-upload the file from your server. I actually uploaded it in the first place so that you will be able to see the places you are going to be changing your different texts. So you'll be changing it one by one. So you just change it with this and everything will change for you. So now that you've uploaded it the first time and you've been able to see where you're going to change all of that, you have changed the texts offlinely. You have changed this text offlinely, so you're going to be re-uploading it. Okay, you see, like things like this. See something like this. There's no way you might remember to like change something like this. There's no way you might remember. So that's why I actually brought out this idea for you to automatically change everything, every text at a glance. Whatever way the text looks like, you'll be able to change it. Wherever the text is, if you look for it and replace it for you, wherever the text is inside those files. Okay, right now I'm going to be re-uploading the file online. Yeah, I'm going to be re-uploading the file online. I mean this offline file. I'm going to show you how to do that. Yeah. Okay, if you want to re-upload, you have to make this a zipped file. You have to make this a zipped file. So you can actually move this to a new folder. Your old zip file, move it to a new so that it won't be here, because you're actually going to make this another zip file, so it should not be complicating. And right click it and just say send to compressed zipped folder. Very good. Now all you have to do is you already made it a zipped folder which you are going to be uploading online, but you're going to start from the beginning of this video to that. So you just go to your file manager. You know I already have my stuffs here. Everything I did is already here. So you are going to be deleting this. You can just say select all and say what? Delete. Everything will be gone. And delete. I don't want to delete. Skip trash or whatever. You can skip trash and say confirm. Then everything will delete. So you have to come and re-upload. Say upload, select, and go to the new zipped file and re-upload it. So you see, re-upload it. Then you start the video from the beginning again to know where to edit and all of that. But since you've edited them with this software, I mean the text that are all over the places, I don't think you're going to be editing them, but you're going to be editing all the configuration file. You know, all the configuration file, you're going to be editing them like this config and all of that inside this online, the admin configuration file, inside library, all these files. I think you're going to be editing whatever file you need to edit. You just play the video from the beginning again to re-upload your file. You can get to me on WhatsApp for this website. Get to me on WhatsApp if you need any information. WhatsApp is right under there. If you want to get the script is the script you get to me on WhatsApp to get the script, or you can actually click the link below to download the scripts. All right, thank you.